Part 1 The Mystery of 3I Atlas. For months, astronomers believed that **3I Atlas** was just another interstellar object passing through our solar system. It was expected to fly past Mars and continue its journey into deep space. There seemed to be nothing unusual about it. But then, everything changed. New observations from the James Webb Space Telescope revealed something unexpected. Scientists updated the object's path, and for the first time, they realized there was a small possibility that 3I Atlas could come much closer to Mars than originally thought. At first, it looked like an ordinary comet. It was moving incredibly fast, around *87 kilometers per second relative to the Sun. That alone made it remarkable. However, what caught scientists' attention wasn't just its speed. It was the way it behaved. Normally, comets release gas and dust randomly as sunlight heats their icy surfaces. But 3I Atlas appeared to be releasing gas in a much more regular pattern. Instead of random bursts, the activity seemed almost rhythmic. As researchers continued to monitor the object, they noticed its surrounding cloud, called the coma, becoming brighter. Spectral observations also showed strong carbon dioxide emissions. These unusual changes sparked many questions. Was this simply an uncommon comet? Or was there something scientists didn't fully understand? As more data arrived from telescopes around the world, astronomers recalculated its orbit. The new calculations showed that 3I Atlas would pass much closer to Mars than earlier estimates suggested. Although the chances of an actual impact remained extremely small, the closer approach made researchers pay much closer attention. Some experts suggested that small jets of escaping gas might slightly change the object's direction. This is a known effect that has been observed in other comets, but in this case, the pattern appeared more organized than expected. That was enough to fuel speculation online. Soon, social media was filled with dramatic claims. Some people argued that 3I Atlas was not a natural object at all. They claimed it might actually be an artificial spacecraft. One of the names frequently mentioned was Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb who has often encouraged scientists to seriously investigate unusual interstellar objects. Although no evidence proved that 3I Atlas was artificial, the discussion quickly spread across the internet. Adding to the mystery were reports of unusual radar reflections and strange images shared by amateur astronomers. Some claimed they could see narrow green beams or odd structures around the object. Most scientists remained cautious. They explained that unusual images could often result from camera settings, long exposures, or image processing techniques. Still, curiosity continued to grow. If 3I Atlas somehow collided with Mars, the impact would be enormous. Traveling at tens of kilometers per second, it could create a massive crater and release an incredible amount of energy. Such an event could damage orbiting spacecraft and future exploration missions. Fortunately, researchers emphasized that an actual collision was still considered highly unlikely. Yet the possibility was enough to capture worldwide attention. Beyond the impact itself, another fascinating question emerged. Mars has always been one of the most exciting places in our search for life. Scientists believe that liquid water may have existed there billions of years ago, and some researchers think tiny microbial life could still survive beneath its surface. If a large object disturbed those underground layers, it could expose material that has remained hidden for millions, or even billions, of years. That idea inspired even more theories. Some people wondered whether 3I Atlas could carry organic molecules from another star system. Others imagined that it might deliver something entirely unknown. These ideas remain speculative, with no scientific evidence to support them. Then another rumor began spreading. According to online claims, the James Webb Space Telescope had detected unusual materials around 3I Atlas, possibly synthetic compounds or strange chemical signatures unlike anything found in our solar system. These reports quickly attracted attention. But no official confirmation supported these extraordinary claims. Even so, the mystery surrounding 3I Atlas continued to grow. Every new observation seemed to raise more questions than answers. Scientists kept collecting data, refining calculations, and watching the object closely as it continued its journey toward the inner solar system. Meanwhile, millions of people around the world followed every update, wondering whether this visitor was simply another unusual comet, or the beginning of one of the greatest space mysteries ever recorded. End of Part 1. Part 2: Theories, Signals, and the Bigger Mystery. As 3I Atlas continued its journey toward Mars, the internet became flooded with even more extraordinary theories. Some people claimed the object's path was too perfect to be natural. Others believed its timing matched important astronomical events, suggesting that its arrival was somehow planned. Scientists, however, continued to rely on evidence rather than speculation. They carefully tracked every movement, measuring its speed, brightness, and direction with powerful telescopes around the world. Still, the mystery encouraged many researchers and enthusiasts to look deeper. Some analysts studied the object's changing trajectory and noticed repeating patterns in its motion. Others examined the timing of its gas emissions, wondering if they followed any mathematical sequence. These observations led to imaginative ideas. Some suggested the object's movement itself could be a kind of message, not through radio signals, but through its behavior in space. There is no scientific evidence supporting this idea, but it became one of the most talked about theories online. Attention also turned toward Mars. Researchers have long known that Mars contains ancient volcanoes, deep valleys, and underground ice. The planet still holds many secrets beneath its dusty surface. Because of this, some people imagined that if 3I Atlas reached Mars, it might uncover hidden layers that scientists have never explored. Others went much further. They speculated that Mars could contain evidence of ancient life or even unknown structures beneath the surface. Again, these ideas remain unproven, but they fueled public fascination. As excitement grew, many rumors began circulating on social media. Some claimed that NASA had stopped releasing important information. Others suggested that secret meetings were taking place behind closed doors. However, there is no verified evidence that space agencies have hidden information about 3I Atlas. Scientists continue to publish observations openly whenever new data becomes available. The mystery also inspired people to compare the object's path with ancient monuments on Earth. Some noticed similarities between planetary alignments and the orientations of famous archaeological sites such as Stonehenge and other ancient structures. Most historians and astronomers consider these comparisons to be coincidences rather than evidence of a hidden connection. But the theories continued to spread. Another popular claim suggested that Mars itself was somehow responding to the object's arrival. Supporters pointed to reports of unusual temperature changes, magnetic readings, and geological activity. Scientists explain that Mars naturally experiences many environmental changes, and no confirmed evidence links these events to 3I Atlas. Still, the possibility captured the imagination of millions. The object became more than just a comet. It became a symbol of one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Interstellar visitors like 3I Atlas are incredibly valuable because they come from outside our solar system. By studying them, scientists hope to learn how distant planetary systems formed and what materials exist beyond our cosmic neighborhood. Whether 3I Atlas is an ordinary comet or something more unusual, it offers a rare opportunity to expand our understanding of space. For now, astronomers will continue observing it with the James Webb Space Telescope and many other observatories. Every new image and every new measurement helps improve our understanding of this remarkable visitor. Until stronger evidence appears, the extraordinary claims surrounding 3I Atlas should be treated as interesting speculation rather than established fact. History has shown that many great discoveries began with mysterious observations. But history also reminds us that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Perhaps 3I Atlas will eventually prove to be an unusual but natural interstellar object. Or perhaps future observations will reveal something no one expected. For now, the mystery remains unsolved. As humanity watches the skies, one thing is certain. The universe is still full of surprises, and every new discovery reminds us how much we have yet to learn. The story of 3I Atlas is far from over, and scientists around the world will continue searching for answers as this mysterious visitor travels through our solar system.